In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to creatively simulate or even freeze your camera on Zoom. Whether you're in a meeting and need a moment to yourself or you just want to have a bit of fun with your virtual presence, these methods will give you some interesting options. Now, Zoom doesn't offer a built-in freeze camera feature, but there are some clever workarounds and third-party tools that can help you achieve just that. So, let's dive right into these methods, and I'll walk you through them step by step. First, let's look at using a virtual background in Zoom, which is a simple yet effective approach. Start by opening Zoom and heading over to the Settings menu. Once there, click on Background and Effects, or you might see it labeled as Virtual Background. In this section, you can upload a photo or even a short video that you've prepared of yourself earlier. The key is to have this image or video show you in a similar position as you usually sit in your meetings. This trick works because your surroundings and likeness will stay frozen on screen, giving the illusion that you haven't moved at all. It's a great way to momentarily pause your video feed without any disruption to the meeting flow. If you're looking for a more advanced or flexible solution, you might consider using a third-party tool such as Freezing Cam. This application is a nifty tool that allows you to take control over your video feed in a more nuanced way. By using Freezing Cam, you can effectively pause your webcam in real time, holding your image at a still frame whenever you choose. Alternatively, you could replace your live webcam feed with a pre-recorded video clip. This can be particularly useful if you want to create the impression that you're still attentively engaged in the session, even when you're briefly away from your desk. Experimenting with these methods can be both fun and practical. However, keep in mind that using them responsibly is important, as it's critical to maintain trust and transparency in professional environments like Zoom meetings. Whether you're employing a virtual background or taking advantage of Freezing Cam, being mindful of your intent and the situation will ensure that these tools add value to your virtual interactions rather than detract from them. So, there you have it. 2 effective ways to simulate or freeze your camera on Zoom. Whether you use a virtual background or a smart application like Freezing Cam, these methods provide you with the flexibility to manage your visual presence effortlessly. Don't forget to test these out a few times to become comfortable with the process before you need to use them in a live setting. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you did, be sure to give these strategies a try. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.